The quality of every new project is directly defined by the foundation it is built upon, its development environment. Today we are taking you behind the scenes for an in-depth tour of the Enterprise API and the powerful environment that drives it. At the heart of our ecosystem lies a robust, Docker-powered infrastructure. This foundation guarantees absolute consistency, isolation and seamless orchestration across every layer of our stack, from routing to core processing. To ensure a seamless onboarding experience and standardized workflows across your team, this environment is built to run on any modern Docker infrastructure. When initializing it locally, the requirements are straightforward: an up-to-date Docker setup, your preferred IDE, and MySQL Workbench. While our containerized stack is highly adaptable across platforms, we recommend a Linux-based operating system to guarantee maximum performance and a frictionless developer experience. What makes this foundation truly powerful is its absolute versatility. You are not just getting a standard development sandbox, you are getting 4 distinct environments seamlessly integrated into a single unified architecture. First, the dev environment is optimized for daily local coding and debugging. Next, the test CI environment provides a strict ecosystem for running automated tests locally and within your pipelines. The staging environment allows you to safely verify your pre-production setup right on your machine. And finally, the prod environment lets you simulate the exact production configuration locally, ensuring total confidence before any real deployment. Navigating a powerful 4-in-1 architecture shouldn't require memorizing complex, lengthy terminal commands and their endless arguments. To guarantee maximum efficiency, we've completely streamlined the developer experience using a centralized Makefile. Instead of typing out massive Docker commands, you can manage the entire lifecycle of any environment with just a few simple, intuitive keystrokes. It's fast, error-free, and keeps your focus exactly where it belongs, on writing brilliant code. A powerful environment is only as good as the developer's ability to interact with it. Setting up an IDE for a containerized stack can often slow down onboarding. To eliminate this bottleneck, we provide comprehensive, step-by-step documentation specifically tailored for JetBrains PhpStorm. Every crucial integration is meticulously detailed, from Docker CLI interpreters and server path mappings to Xdebug and PHP unit test frameworks. But we went a step further to guarantee instant alignment across your team. The Enterprise API ships with a pre-configured .idea directory. This means your code styling, inspections, and quality tools are active out of the box, saving hours of manual setup and ensuring absolute consistency from day one. Writing code is only half the process. Interacting with your API should be just as effortless. To streamline your testing workflow, the environment comes equipped with a comprehensive, ready-to-use Postman collection. By simply importing the provided collection and environment files, your team can instantly execute authenticated requests without manually configuring headers or tokens. Furthermore, to ensure your endpoints are always perfectly documented, we provide an interactive Swagger UI accessible directly from your local host. This allows you to browse available routes, review schemas, and test API calls directly in your browser, with built-in authorization support. Everything you need to explore and validate your API is ready the moment you start the environment. Moving beyond synchronous requests, the Enterprise API features a robust, event-driven backbone powered by RabbitMQ and Symfony Messenger. The architecture intelligently routes traffic through 2 distinct pipelines: internal message queues for high-performance background tasks, and dedicated external queues designed to seamlessly integrate with any third-party system using standardized JSON payloads. In complex enterprise environments, external failures are inevitable. That is why we engineered a fail-safe custom retry strategy. If a handler encounters an exception, the system automatically catches the failed message and securely stores it in the dead letter queue, guaranteeing 0 data loss and giving your team complete control over recovery. You maintain total command over this recovery process directly through your environment configuration. You can instantly define whether failed messages allow unlimited manual retries, set precise cooldown periods between attempts, and dictate exactly how many days historical messages are retained before automated cleanup. It is powerful, predictable, and fully adjustable. To guarantee a pristine and secure codebase, the Enterprise API integrates a formidable, pre-configured suite of code quality tools, running both locally and within your CI pipelines. For structural consistency, Easy Coding Standard and PHP Code Sniffer strictly enforce formatting rules. To catch bugs before execution, PhpStorm provides deep static analysis, while PHP Mess Detector identifies technical debt and complex anti-patterns. We enforce the DRI principle using PHP copy-paste detector and monitor your project's overall health with comprehensive dashboards from PHP Insights and PHP Metrics. Dependency hygiene is automated through built-in composer tools, securing your application against unused or vulnerable packages. Finally, Rector is included to handle automated code refactoring and instant framework upgrades. Everything is controlled via simple make commands, ensuring bad code never reaches production. A robust architecture demands absolute confidence. That is why the Enterprise API includes a comprehensive pre-configured testing suite powered by PHP Unit. We ensure your application is battle-tested through a strict three-level approach: unit tests to isolate and validate individual components, integration tests to verify that those components communicate flawlessly, and comprehensive application tests to simulate real-world end-to-end scenarios. To learn more about our testing philosophy, check out our dedicated video, Robust Testing, Our Three-Level Approach. Beyond the code itself, the Enterprise API comes fully equipped with all the necessary documentation and practical examples, ensuring your team has everything needed to seamlessly maintain high-quality, enterprise-level standards.